My name is Kingsley Nnaemeka and I am a business consultant. Over the years, I have helped hundreds of people, especially young people, with profitable business ideas. My goal is to help you discover a profitable business you can do on the internet with just your smartphone or the laptop. You're welcome to my official YouTube channel. Expect videos on mini importation, copywriting, digital marketing, and lots more. Please do not forget to subscribe, and when you are done, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos I'll be uploading here on a weekly basis. Videos are uploaded every Friday by 8 p.m. And if you wish to connect with me personally, the number on your screen will bring you direct to my WhatsApp, and make sure you are asking business related questions. Thank you.